In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You will see the familiar layout of the browser with the address bar at the top. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the entire process. Having Edge open ensures that you can immediately access the settings needed to customize your shortcuts. Now take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You should see tabs, bookmarks, and other features. This will help you navigate smoothly as we proceed. Next, in the address bar, type edge/extensions/shortcuts and then press enter. Upon doing this, you will be taken directly to the keyboard shortcut settings for your extensions. This specific address is a shortcut itself, allowing you quick access to the customization options without having to dig through multiple menus. Once on this page, you will see a list of all extensions currently installed in your Edge browser. Each extension will have its own current keyboard shortcut displayed beside it. This view is essential as it shows you the available options for customization. Now locate the extension you want to customize. Scan through the list carefully. Each extension is labeled clearly, so it should be easy to spot the one you need. This step matters because changing the wrong shortcut can lead to confusion or disrupt your workflow. When you find the extension, take note of its current shortcut if it has one. This will give you a reference point for making your change. Next, click the pencil icon next to the current shortcut field. This icon represents the edit function and indicates that you can modify the existing shortcut. As you click it, you will see the current shortcut become editable. This simple action opens up the opportunity to personalize your experience. You will notice a blank space appears where you can now input your new shortcut. After that, press the new key combination you want to use. Be sure to choose a combination that feels comfortable and is easy to remember. This is important because a well-chosen shortcut can enhance your productivity and make using the extension more efficient. As you press the new keys, you may notice that the field fills in automatically. This feedback assures you that the keyboard shortcut has been recognized by the browser. With that done, you can simply move on. There is no need for a save button, as your changes will auto-save. This feature is a huge time saver and ensures that you do not lose your customizations. You might see a brief notification confirming that your new shortcut has been set. This is a reassuring sign that everything is working as it should. Finally, to test your new shortcut, close the Settings tab and return to your main browsing window. Try using the new keyboard shortcut you just set. If it works smoothly, you have successfully customized your keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Edge. Congratulations! This small adjustment can significantly improve your browsing experience. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you make the most of your Microsoft Edge browser. Enjoy your new shortcuts.